Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to create an interactive cybersecurity assessment using Outgrow, designed to engage users, educate them, and capture high-quality leads. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow account. Once you're inside the dashboard, choose the assessment content type. You can either start from scratch or select a pre-made template, whichever works best for your use case. Once selected, head over to the Build tab. Here you can start setting up your welcome screen. Add a headline. Test your cybersecurity knowledge. Then include a subheading. Discover how much you know about the latest cybersecurity trends and practices. Next, go to the Design tab to customize the look of your welcome screen. Now let's move back to the sitemap and start adding questions. Here are some example questions you can include. Question 1. What is the most common type of cyber attack in 2026? Question 2. Which cybersecurity framework is widely adopted for managing information security risks? Question 3. Which of the following is a key benefit of implementing a zero-trust security model? Question 4. What is a common method for securing cloud environments? Question 5. Which of the following is a sign of a phishing email? These questions help assess the user's cybersecurity knowledge and awareness. You can continue adding more questions like these to make your assessment more engaging and insightful. Now, let's configure the results screen. Based on user responses, you can display personalized results using conditional messaging. If the total score falls between 1 and 3, you can show low risk, strong security posture. If the score is between 4 and 6, display moderate risk, improvements recommended. And if the score is between 7 and 8, show high risk, immediate action. Required. You can also enhance each result by adding a short explanation and actionable recommendations under the page setting. Before showing results, you can also add a lead generation form. For example, ask for name work email. Next, go to the overall design section to fine-tune the entire experience, including logo, color, background image, and fonts. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your cybersecurity assessment. You can now share the live link or embed it on your website, and that's it. You've successfully created an interactive cybersecurity assessment using Outgrow, helping users understand their security awareness while boosting conversions for your business. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow and start building interactive cybersecurity content today.